Today, let's talk about how to make real money with Uber Eats, how to cherry pick the best orders, and how to stay ahead of the game as self-driving cars and AI start shaking up food delivery. Whether you're doing this full time or just trying to stack extra cash, these strategies can seriously boost your earnings. First, let's break down the basics. Uber Eats pays drivers for each delivery, and your income comes from base pay, tips, and promotions. But here's the secret. It's not about hustling harder, it's about hustling smarter. This is where cherry picking comes in. Cherry picking means you only accept the highest paying, most efficient orders and decline the ones that don't make sense. For example, don't accept a $4 delivery that's 10 miles away. Use the app to check total payout and distance. If it's not worth your time or gas, decline it. Also, learn your area's hotspots and peak hours. Dinner rush, weekends, and areas with clusters of high-end restaurants equals money. Stack deliveries when you can and use multiple apps like DoorDash and Grubhub alongside Uber Eats to increase your options. And remember, tips matter. Be fast, professional, and friendly. A good attitude can turn a $2 tip into $10. Treat Uber Eats like a business. Track your mileage, gas, wear and tear, and time. A lot of drivers make the mistake of chasing orders without knowing if they're even profitable. Don't be that person. Your goal is to make the most money in the least amount of time. For example, if you're averaging $20 per hour and you cherry pick well, you can hit $25 to $30 per hour consistently in a busy market. Now let's talk about the future. Self-driving cars, AI-powered delivery bots, and drones are coming. Uber has already invested in autonomous delivery. That means within the next few years there could be fewer delivery jobs and more automation. But here's the key. Don't panic. Prepare. Delivery apps won't disappear overnight, but the market will shift. Drivers who rely on delivery income need to start thinking ahead right now. Use your Uber Eats income to fund your next move. That could be starting a side hustle, like flipping products or digital marketing, learning a new skill, coding, AI, design, content creation, investing in the stock market or crypto, building your own delivery business, or even creating content around delivery strategies. You've already proven you can hustle. Now take that energy and invest in your own growth. The best thing about gig work is the freedom, but the worst thing, it's temporary. So while Uber Eats helps you stack cash today, use that income to future-proof your life tomorrow. Because when self-driving cars finally take over, the winners will be the people who saw it coming and got ready. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped you, drop a like and share it with another driver who needs to hear this. Keep working smart, stacking cash, and building your future because the world's changing and you're either ahead of it or behind it. Let's stay ahead.